Yo, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So, yun, as you can see, I will show you the melee of this, my Decan self-buff with its scroll. So, it was 541 melee. So, 600 with the Flaming Dragon, Flaming Wing, 615 melee, and 714 700 HP. So 37 depends if you have this, the event from Christmas Eve, and this and all of this talisman. It's like this. So 1 minute mag-expired na. 1 minute will expired all my seal. 1 minute more. So this is the seal. This all the seal champion seal package X 3 days and hero seal package X. So and my talisman is plus 7 and this is plus 0 and this extraordinary lucky talisman. Ayun. So let us see how's my melee when all my talisman expired. Okay, let's see. Okay, and okay. So that's all my. So as you can see is uh, 700k HP and 600k melee. And when my talisman expired, the two set of talisman, the hero seal package X and the champion seal package X 3 days. So let us see how's my melee. My melee is only now 490k. So it's not, it's okay, it's 490 melee. So I hope I got a Ignil weapon. So maybe I could make this an 600 melee again. So my build is all full beat. My build is full beat. So I will not use that. Maybe later on. Okay, and maybe I will use it or I will use it later. This I will use it later, and I only got one ancient stone. And that's all of my ancient stone. Maybe I will buy ancient stone if it's going to sell to item mall in the discounted price. I wait for that event. You can buy this on the item mall if you want. It's better to have 3 days, or maybe if you always playing, get the 7 days. Get the 7 days package. Package X. Tenancy. So I have so that's all. My melee is 490 HP. So I will going to test it in dito. I will going to test this in Abyss. So let's go to Abyss. Do I have a scroll? A portal? Let me check my talisman. So this will expire tomorrow, and this one is on 21. So as you can see, the expiration date is not on game time. The expiration date is on your PC, your PC time. So this is my game time, and my time is my PC time, my local time is 6:13. As you can see, all of my talisman is expiring on 6. It already expired on 6:08 a.m. So that's my talisman expired. The expiration date is on your local time, or on your what's on your PC time. The time in your PC. That's your talisman will expired, or anything else has an expiration date. So this will be on 16 again in the morning, and then it's again in the morning. So let's have test the Abyss map. Do I have a mount? I guess I don't have any mount. Okay, I will use this. For Abyss, you need to have all level 7 skill for fast bopping. So if you don't have all level 7 skill, don't go on Abyss on solo. Make sure you have a party if you don't get all of your skill level 7. The advantage of level 7 is fast bopping, very fast bopping. So that's the advantage of level 7 skill. So when you have level 7 skill, that's good in Abyss. Good to use in Abyss. You can farm solo if you want. So let me again. I will choose this map, and so there's no way there. Here is the way. I don't know if there's any path over there. So I will go here, and I don't choose here because there is a I don't choose here because there is a tawag dito, mini boss. Mini boss is magic mini boss, so don't enter here. So you have to enter in the you have to go here. Do not make a spot over here. There is a mini boss. Mini boss will hit you a critical of 500k. So probably you are one hit. So I see a good spot here. There is a good spot. There's a good spot over there. There in the map there. So you will pass through this, and you just sculpturing in the side. I guess here is the very good spot, and here over there and there. And I find also maybe here it's a good spot for AFK. I've only got one. I've only got 2 level 6 skills. So to manage that, don't be sure to separate the buffing time, so you don't buff this at the same time. If you want, if you have no level 7 skill, just make sure to buff not at the same time. Be sure to make it separated time to expired. And okay, let's mount. Maybe this is not a good spot, so just run. I can run this 50k, not bad. Fucking shit. So heal. Shit, I'm going to die, but not today because I have to run. Yes, I survived. Just run and run until you reach the good spot. So run for your life and then heal. So I don't have anything, so let us try. Maybe let's say yes, 200. So maybe here is the good spot. So let's try. Pak, 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 pak. So you better to hit the move you better to hit the mobs first. Let's see how my die. Better not to use the skill. Better to manual use. Shit. What do I drop? Crystal Quarry. So I need tawag dito. So I really need oh shit, I got my scroll expired. I got my scroll expired. That's why I kill very fast. So let's me try again. I got my scroll expired. So let me teka lang. Do I have 2,000? We don't need it anymore, and I want I don't need it anymore. And I drop this. So this maybe I need. I dry on lag. I dry on lag. Server my my PC is so delayed. Just make sure to hit the mobs and make to hit the mob first. Better to have tawag dito. Better to have on your party a defender or I don't have any buff, no? Do I have any scroll here? What A, B, C, D. let me put this and this. Oh, it's a rare mark. It's a rare mark. Proof of Exodus. So what? I'm proof of darkness. Will buy sprint scroll 30. Then set it here and this over here. I will try again. Beast Transcend. Double click to upgrade the Judgment of Chakra. The Judgment Chakra. Cow mobs. So let me put the scroll here. I guess this would be enough. I can do this. So as you can see, it's okay. So you need a more party member. I need a more party member to help me on this. Maybe I could die on bopping. I cannot tank this alone. Maybe I need somebody who tank. You can also die when your character is running. You can die also when your character is running. Eh, when sometimes your character running back to spot. Oh, like that. So better to have a heal. Like that. Mhm. Maybe I need my other account. So that is not suitable for go solo in Abyss when you don't have 1 mhp. When you don't have at least 1 mhp, it's very difficult to sustain your survivability. If I do have upon maybe I go for inter now. Inter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I show you my 431 milli. So this will add an attack when you ano ba ang attack niyan? Damage boost. Oh, 431. So this is a damage boost, damage attack. So that's all. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.